Hey, it's Jay, and I got a new video for you. I get a lot of requests to do this one, and it's pretty simple. So I just wanted to show you and do a step-by-step of how to do a quick website audit to see how effective your website is. So I'm just going to do this with ChatGPT, and I'm going to go to the left side and click on GPTs. But first, I'm going to go to my prompt engineer, and I'm going to say, I need a prompt for ChatGPT to do deep research on my website to recommend improvements for conversion and user experience, call to actions, etc. All right. I always like to put etc. in case I miss out on anything. All right. So let's see. All right. So I'm going to do that. And all right. And then I'm going to do this. And that way I can do that. And then this. Okay, great. Boom. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this now because I got what I want. And then I'm going to go to a new chat. And I'm going to click on research so we can do some of that deep research. Now, if I wanted to, I could, it's going to be doing a web search, but if I wanted it to connect to my Google Drive, I can do that. I can connect now to my Gmail and Dropbox and all of these other places as well. All right, conversion rate optimization consultant. You see, this prompt engineer is like so good. I want you to perform a deep audit of my website, identify this, okay, your task, do that, okay, whatever. Boom. Now here we go. We got a couple of other questions. All right, and I'm just going to answer by voice. What are the primary conversion goals for the site? Say, lead form submissions, period. Property owners looking for management, period. The entire website, period. No. Okay. All right, there we go. Boom. All right. Now tell me you got everything you need. Okay, fantastic. Now, starting research, it's 241. ChatGPT tends to spend less time than Manus doing these. Let's see what he comes up with, or she. As you can see right now, on the right side, it is telling us everything that it's doing, which is cool, I guess. Some people might appreciate it more than me, but it's nice to know. All right, so for sources, it's continuing going. Okay, yes, because it's going through all of these here. Fantastic. All right, we'll circle back with it. 245, still going, 15 sources deep. I would like to say that ChatGPT's research is a little bit more impressive than I was giving it credit for. All right, so it looks like it's now going through and reading from Blanket's website. It's going to Showdigs has a pretty extensive blog apparently. Okay, it's going back there, analyzing with Python. So it's using code analytics, going to website builder experts. Yeah, recommendations. Yeah, this is some good stuff. All right, keep going, baby. 249, and we are now up to 25 sources, looking at ADA site compliance, back to the website, over to Hotjar, doing a lot of stuff here. Yeah, a little bit more impressive than I gave it credit for. Let's see, when did it start? When did all of this start? It doesn't say, but we can go back and look. Okay, so it is 2:51 and looks like research completed 5 minutes. Okay, it seemed like it took a lot longer than 5 minutes. Maybe I'm just impatient. All right, so I'm going to close the right side because I don't really care about the activity anymore. But this is the deliverable that we get, and then all of the sources are noted. So I'm going to go all the way to the top of this first. As you can see, it's a much more detailed answer than you get with a regular chat. And this is probably okay, you can download the PDF or share the link. Cool. I actually like it better reading it from here. All right. So strong foundation, but opportunities, 30 plus years of, but the value prop could be sharper. Okay. So the value proposition could be sharper. The homepage headlines and copy focuses on the company's qualifications rather than clearly stating the owner's benefits. That is very true and a great piece of advice there. Example, increased income, peace of mind. Yes. So website builder expert, 11 best property management websites to inspire you. So that's a quick link there. CTA presence, which is call to action and potential confusion. Oh, multiple call to actions, free rental analysis. I'm a rental owner and I want to rent. That's fine if you want to direct people right where they need to go. So that's okay. Conversion funnel, friction points. Okay, free rental analysis and ready to get started. They ask for extensive details, which might deter some users. Longer forms. Yes, longer forms are detrimental at times. Mobile and accessibility considerations. It likely employs responsive design, has select page mobile menu, but usability on small screens could be improved. Okay, got it. Homepage user experience evaluation. So clarity of message, visual hierarchy and layout. This is really good stuff. Trust building elements, content and tone, page performance. Okay. What you can also do is if you go to your Google Analytics, you should have those set up. If you go to your Google Analytics, you can download the reports and you can then just upload those reports inside of ChatGPT, even in this chat, and you can just ask it to go a little bit deeper if you want to. Primary call to actions for property owners. Okay, get your free rental analysis. Fine, but I don't really love just free rental analysis. There's so many types of different lead magnets that you can have. Let's see. Call to actions for renters, fine. Conversion funnel insights, user journey mapping for the property owner. Okay, they might start on the homepage via Google search for property management. From there, they have two likely paths. Click free rental analysis or clicking I'm a rental owner. Fine. Possible improvement is to provide a bit of reassuring copy on that form page. Yes. Okay. Friction, distraction points. Got it. So here we go. Quick wins and strategic changes. Quite honestly, this is probably what I would go to first. Immediate improvements. Okay. Phone number to header. Streamline the lead forms. Inject call to actions into content sections. Yeah. Surface more trust signals up front. Yep. Tighten the hero section copy. There you go. Okay. I like it. Strategic changes, longer term enhancements. All right, fine. So those are just some additional things that you can do. Optional suggested copy rewrites and call to action. So it's even rewriting copy for you as well. Find out what your home could rent for. There we go. Value proposition statement. View homes for rent. We'll find a rental home. Okay. Oh, and then all the citations, of course. All right, great. Yeah, very detailed and also can just give you the quick and dirty on the what to do's right here. Recommendation for quick wins and strategic changes. I like quick wins, immediate improvements. All right, so yeah, good stuff. You can get your website analyzed and I will see you next. Feel free to comment on any video that you might want me to do that would help you in your property management company. Thanks. See ya.